Evolving.
I'll attack with Avengers.
I forgot.
Energy attachment return N.
Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it.
Yeah, I thought back the hell out of that.
Okay, she knocked it down. I'm just like screwed.
Guardian, Chronomic Field or not.
I can at least get a DC.
Yeah, no, you're screwed.
Shut the dark
I can get a DC here, man.
I could. Oh,
Maybe.
It's gonna be funny if it happens.
If you get it.
Yeah.
We need.
Oh.
That's fine. Go ahead.
You do want to cut?
No, I'll
I can
tap.
put it all back
I'll
and
tap.
shuffle again.
I'll get 3.
My apologies.
It's fine.
Oh my god. Huh? What was that now?
I don't want to hear it.
What was that?
I do it one time.
I think
Okay?
I'm gonna play
I don't hear it.
Cavalry.
I don't do it every game.
What was that?
I don't do
Did
it
you
every
get
game.
just like the perfect hand?
This plot is your card. So
Well, I can't say it's perfect.
He got an inside joke.
Right now.
I can't say it's perfect hand, but it's good, I guess. It's definitely not be played this game.
19 over that. You take
Just
11.
guess, see if I get the.
Beach for 3.
Actually,
Yeah, that's it.
back there.
Rough.
Engineer's gonna attack it,
Really?
and you're gonna take 18.
Yeah, I'll just play it.
Yeah. Jennifer. 4,
19.
5, come on, baby, 6, come on.
Okay.
Press 18
Okay.
during your turn.
Play the switch.
Oh, I got you. I see what you're saying now.
Bring up Thunderous and
Yeah.
yeah. There you go.
Or wait, actually, no, I think you can play it right quick.
I'm gonna raid the knuckle.
50.
Yeah, I have
30.
so it works.
50.
50?
Oh, yeah,
Should be
plasma.
Plasmas.
I keep forgetting about those. And I'm gonna go-
Those do things, man.
Those do things, man.
I keep forgetting. Because usually I'm playing against garbage door.
Drawing for turn.
Joke.
Super Rock.
Hey sir, I want to turn at the Gargoyle. How I don't know.
First Lord of Fire.
I like how it's working kind of now.
Yeah.
Not much.
Kyram going in.
Banish. Target.
I'm just gonna be evil and bring up.
Tap.
I'm gonna take another special energy so I can just bring up something.
And he's not destroyed by others.
So much pretty.
So.
They're all protected from your voice.
Or, no, they're not all protected. So.
Bring up what?
He just survived.
Because I used the effect on
What's
my
gonna do?
You can play one of these.
Yeah, I'm playing on that. Cause
attack and defense.
I don't think you'll need
So he does
these
have
two.
habits.
So you could probably attach them.
maybe
Here you go.
I don't think you're finished, you know.
15 to fair.
yeah, play it down. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I know I don't need that right now.
You got
You're fine.
Energy attachment for turn. Beach for 2.
You're not attached to it. Okay, just like we planned.
Effect. Banish. Destroy.
Okay, so.
I get triggered.
But she didn't knock it out, so.
I mean, or you can attach it to Thunderous, whichever one you prefer.
Okay, I was looking.
Actually, I would probably do it to Thunderous.
This turn, so I have 3,000 monsters.
I gave it to you.
Just to be safe.
Thanks.
And then I would just play with Jennifer. Or call her, whatever one you really want to do.
I shouldn't attach it in, no.
Okay, just
Doing that tool scarf.
and I would just go ahead and just raid Knuckle.
Yeah.
Just raid Knuckle and attach that. Because you gotta play next turn.
Raid nickel. 30?
Dot ruler.
That knocks it out too. 50.
50.
That knocks it out.
Does
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, got it. Got one.
15 in.
Yeah, I just attach the plasma to it. Yeah.
Turn for turn.
I just hopped like that.
Nice.
I would go bitch.
Effect of Trans Archfiend.
Scripture.
This to my hand.
Okay, here you go.
Yeah.
That's all I had. DC we couldn't do.
Hang on, I'm looking.
I actually saved my.
Dowsing.
Sorry, I
I see it.
You want to see?
how you gonna get that?
I'm like, I,
See that?
Mausoleum.
and then I get the. Dude, if I have one like that,
Muscle band.
if it's not brass.
Oh, you have one in there.
I'm gonna manage this.
Muscle band attachment.
Wait, what?
Why?
Monster reincarnation.
He throws his friend away so he can stab himself.
I attach energy for turn of this turn already.
Oh, give me marauding. I don't care. I'm playing marauding for no apparent reason. 12. Go. I drop Destiny, go for it. Because I couldn't play anything else. I had no choice.
Okay.
Well, actually,
Gonna go for
I can't play anybody else though.
pin missile. 40 times the number of heads on 4 coins.
Yeah.
What can I do?
Maybe me just didn't play another.
I just didn't want to take away an energy.
now you can see
I'm so bad. Ready?
Two of them.
40, 80. EX out.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Two.
Alright, 21 minutes. My time.
Yeah. Okay.
Even with the gigantic missile.
I'm gonna go ahead and shadow try again.
Yeah.
I draw.
Finally get it.
I don't know what the chip is.
Coach machine. I'll go ahead and play
No,
it.
no, no,
No?
no.
Show you what
Okay,
What do I need?
Get that, and then attach in red signal.
Oh, see, I thought you meant that, and there's one in the deck. That's why I said I don't think there's one in the deck.
remove from play.
Okay, so you attach, and then it has the
Okay,
catcher
I got
effect.
you. Attach. Bring him up.
No, get the Emolga EX. I mean, either way you can.
Well,
knock
either
out-
way, it's one shot.
Yeah, I know, but
Either
you
way.
want to get the EX. For
Okay, well,
play for
EX
that
has
one.
less HP.
18, your turn.
Then
That's all I got.
Yeah. I'll go ahead and ready.
Yes.
Plasma Gale.
Brandon,
Okay.
let's see.
I mean, you could have skipped all that, but
Yeah,
like
but
that's
still.
that's a play you need to learn.
If you'd not done that, I would have been able to,
Yeah.
switch it back out. So it would have been back up. But good game. There you go. See?
Okay, I'd have been either way. I could have got it.
Synchro.
Yeah, but if you,
But
but
if I
yeah,
do
yeah,
that-
yeah, but if you play Color's Machine on it, you don't get the red signal.
You don't get it.
Oh, that's from here.
Because it's support.
Yeah, you have to manually
I
attach for
gotcha.
Genesect.
Is it pretty?
Isn't this fun?
My bad. I've never used Genesis.
Now you see Genesis.
Wow, this is like 2 parts.
Huh?
This video is like 2 parts. So Jennifer, what in the world would you call that deck?
Electrified.
Sure, we'll call it eel without eel.
Eel without eel.
I run a Jolteon.
In a